Have you ever wondered which accounting firm is the best place to start or grow your career? With so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 accounting firms in the world, breaking down what makes them industry leaders, the career opportunities they offer, and how to decide which one is the best fit for you. To know the top accounting firms rated by employees, check out the link in the description for some free job resources. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss valuable career insights. All right, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is BDO, the largest mid-tier accounting firm and a serious competitor to the Big Four. With a presence in over 160 countries and a growing reputation in audit, tax, and advisory services, BDO is often considered the best alternative for those looking for a career in a global firm outside of the Big Four. What makes BDO stand out? Unlike the Big Four, which focus on multinational corporations, BDO specializes in working with mid-sized companies. This gives employees more hands-on experience with diverse clients, which means more exposure to different industries and a faster learning curve early in their careers. The firm also invests in technology-driven accounting solutions, making it a great place for professionals who want to work at the intersection of finance and innovation. If you're looking for global opportunities, a strong career trajectory, and a slightly better work-life balance than the Big Four, BDO is an excellent place to start your accounting career. At number 4, KPMG is one of the Big Four accounting firms and a global powerhouse in audit, tax, and advisory services. With operations in over 140 countries, KPMG is known for its structured career paths, intense technical training, and high-profile clients across various industries. One of KPMG's biggest strengths is its auditing and risk management focus. If you're looking to build a career in assurance services, KPMG is often considered one of the best firms to gain expertise in financial reporting and regulatory compliance. The firm also invests heavily in data analytics, AI, and digital transformation, making it an excellent choice for professionals who want to work at the intersection of finance and technology. Career growth at KPMG is well-defined, with structured training programs, mentorship opportunities, and a strong emphasis on professional development. But, like all Big Four firms, work-life balance can be challenging, especially during busy seasons. So, if you're looking for global exposure, strong career progression, and an emphasis on technical expertise, KPMG could be the perfect fit. Coming in at number 3 is EY, a Big Four firm known for its focus on innovation, digital transformation, and consulting. In over 150 countries, EY is a leader in AI, blockchain, and data analytics in accounting and finance. What sets EY apart is its commitment to digital transformation. If you're interested in working at the intersection of finance and technology, EY is one of the best places to gain hands-on experience. The firm strongly emphasizes leadership development, offering structured training programs and mentorship opportunities for career growth. While work-life balance can be challenging, EY offers flexible work arrangements and a collaborative environment, setting it apart from other Big Four firms. If you're looking for a firm that combines technical excellence with a forward-thinking approach, EY is a fantastic choice for launching or advancing your accounting career. At number 2, we have PwC, one of the world's most prestigious and well-respected accounting firms. With offices in over 150 countries, PwC is known for its excellence in audit, tax, consulting, and advisory services. The firm works with some of the biggest corporations and government entities, making it a prime destination for accountants seeking top-tier professional experience. PwC stands out because of its strong emphasis on leadership development and career growth. The firm invests heavily in training programs, mentorship opportunities, and professional certifications, ensuring employees have a clear path for career progression. PwC is also recognized for its workplace culture and collaboration. While the firm upholds high-performance expectations, it has made significant strides in promoting work-life balance compared to other Big Four firms. Another significant advantage of working at PwC is its global mobility program, which allows employees to gain international experience by working in different offices worldwide. This is a huge plus for professionals looking to expand their careers beyond their home country. If you're looking for a highly structured, prestigious, and globally connected accounting firm, PwC is one of the best choices. At the top of the list is Deloitte, the world's largest and most influential accounting firm. In more than 150 countries, Deloitte leads the industry in audit, tax, consulting, risk advisory, and financial advisory services. It's widely recognized for its strong global presence, cutting-edge technology investments, and diverse service offerings. What truly sets Deloitte apart is its dominance in consulting and advisory services. While all Big Four firms have consulting divisions, Deloitte has the largest and most diversified advisory practice, making it an excellent choice for those interested in working beyond traditional accounting roles. The firm is also at the forefront of digital transformation, investing heavily in AI, blockchain, cybersecurity, and data analytics. This makes Deloitte a great place for professionals who want to work at the intersection of finance, technology, and business strategy. Deloitte is known for its fast-paced and high-performance culture, which comes with exceptional career growth opportunities. It's also among the most demanding firms in terms of workload and expectations. If you're ambitious and willing to put in the effort, Deloitte offers some of the best career development opportunities in the accounting world. Deloitte is the ultimate choice if you want a firm that excels in audit, consulting, and advisory services while providing global career opportunities. And there you have it, the top 5 accounting firms in the world. Whether you're aiming for a career in audit, tax, consulting, or advisory, these firms offer incredible opportunities for professional growth, global exposure, and career advancement. Which of these firms interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more resources to help you succeed in your accounting career. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey in accounting.